A very good morning, students. I am Rama Devi, working as a chemistry faculty in Target English Medium School at Tadipatri. Today, I am going to explain this video for 10th class students. In past videos, I clearly explained about what are the main three principles which are helpful to predict the electronic configuration of an atom. Based on those principles, how we can write the electronic configuration of an atom in a systematic way. Based on that three principles, we already discussed some question and answers also. Today, a very important topic in according to our syllabus, that is nothing but shapes of orbitals. Shapes of orbitals. So before going to discuss about the shapes of orbitals, what is meant by an orbital? A very important for 1 mark or 2 marks. What is meant by an orbital? What is the definition of an orbital? We know already. The board said electrons are revolved around the nucleus in a circular path, that is called as an orbit. Already we know what is meant by an orbit. Are you understand? But here we can clarify about the orbital. Okay. So what is an orbit? You remember the differences between orbit and orbital also definition based. A circular path, nothing but the electrons are revolved around the nucleus in a circular path is known as an orbit. Is known as an orbit. Okay. The names of orbits are K, L, M, N, R, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So these are only circular path. The electrons are revolved continuously in that circular path only. Okay. That is the definition of an orbit and 2-3 points about the orbit. Okay. Now, what is meant by an orbital? Nothing but the space or region. The space or region where electron is likely to be found is most. Are you understand? Simply I said what is meant by an orbital means the space or region where the electron is likely found to be most. The probability of electron finding is more. Where that space or region nothing but it is called as an orbital. In simple way, I will give the definition for an orbital. Nothing but the space means the place or region where the electron is likely found to be most. Means the most of the part where the electron probability is more. The most of the part where the electron is surrounded around the nucleus, that part or point is known as an orbital. For example, it is a nucleus. It is an orbit. In that orbit, electrons are continuously revolved around the nucleus. But here, where the electron is most of the located, around the nucleus, that space or region maximum probability of finding an electron is nothing but it is called as an orbital. Are you understand now? The electron is continuously rotated around the nucleus in a circular path, but in that path where the probability of electron is more, where the finding of probability of electron is more, that space or region is known as an orbital. Are you understand? In that orbits only orbitals are presented. Are you understand? That is the difference between an orbit and an orbital. Where the electron probability finding is more, in that space or region is simply known as an orbital. Are you understand the definition of an orbital, ma? Yes. The space or region where the electron is likely found to be most, to be find the most is known as nothing but an orbital. So we have 4 types of orbitals. Those are orbitals mainly. Those are s orbital, p orbital, d orbital, f orbital. S orbital, p orbital, d orbital, f orbital. The shape of s orbital is spherical. The shape of s orbital is spherical. The shape of p orbital is dumbbell. The shape for s orbital is spherical, p orbital is dumbbell, and d orbital is double dumbbell. And f orbital is four-fold complex. Are you able to see this one? The shape of s orbital is a spherical shape, very important for half mark or 1 mark. What is the shape of s orbital? Spherical. And the shape of p orbital is dumbbell. Shape of d orbital is double dumbbell. The shape of f orbital is four-fold complex. Four-fold complex. These are the shapes of s, p, d, f. We have also G, H. These are also there. But according to our syllabus, we have to need only these 4 orbitals. S, P, D, F. Okay. Now, I will give the diagrams for S orbital, P orbital, D orbital. These are very important for you according to your syllabus for 4 marks question or otherwise 2 marks questions. Or otherwise there are what is meant by an orbital explain. For 1 mark or 2 marks also they are asking. Okay, what is meant by an orbital? The space or region where the probability of finding electron is maximum. You simply remember the space or region where the probability of electron finding is maximum is known as an orbital. So we have 4 types of orbitals mainly S, P, D, F. I get mainly 4 types of orbitals S, P, D, F. S orbital shape is a spherical, P orbital shape is dumbbell, D orbital shape is double dumbbell, and F orbital shape is four-fold complex. Okay. So according to our syllabus, I have drawn a diagram for S, P, D. What are the diagrammatical representation for S orbital, P orbital, and D orbital? A very important. What is the shape of S orbital and draw the diagram? So that is very important. Yes. Our first orbital is S orbital. So the shape of S orbital is a spherical shape. X-axis, Y-axis, Z-axis. Z, Y, X. X. And the spherical means how along the 3 axes it was spherically rotated like this. So this is the shape of S orbital. What is the shape of S orbital? Spherical shape. What is the shape of S orbital? Spherical shape. axis. S orbital is spherically rotated. This is the shape of the S orbital. Next, p orbitals. In p orbital, how many suborbitals are there? Anna? 3 are there. Already we know. Px, py, pz. These are belongs to the only p orbital. What is the shape of the p orbital? Dumbbell shape. Dumbbell shape. This is the shape of the p orbital. Yes. Now first one is px. How many p orbitals we have? 3. Px, py, pz. Yes. Px same. How x axis? Like this x axis. How y axis? Like this y axis. How z axis? Like this. This is the z axis. So what is the orbital now? We have to represent the px orbital. What is the orbital? Px orbital. So you only rotate the dumbbell shape on px only. Are you understand? What is the axis here? Only px. So you only rotate the dumbbell shape on axis. Like this 8 shape. You blindly remember the 8 shape is dumbbell shape, like this 8 shape. Okay, and the px means on the px, py means on the py axis. The dumbbell shape was formed on the py. If pz means the dumbbell shape was formed on the pz. It is a px orbital. Next, py orbital. Same. Now you mentioned it is x, it is y, it is z. You only mentioned x also, no problem. Yes. Same. X axis, y axis, z axis, x, y, z. So now dumbbell shape is found on where? Y axis. See here please. The dumbbell shape was formed on the y, py. Okay. Next, pz. Same. X axis, y axis, z axis. Now it is the z, it is the x, it is the y. So the dumbbell shape was formed on the z only. So very easy. There is no risky about the p orbitals and s orbital also. Very simply formed. In simple form, I will give the diagrammatical representation for you. There is no very difficult. See very carefully. What is the shape of S orbital? Spherical shape. X axis, y axis, z axis. You remember, cross is the x, cross. Straight is the y, and again reverse cross is the z axis. So here carefully observe same. The p orbital shape is dumbbell shape. Dumbbell shape. So first again in the p orbitals, how many suborbitals we have? 3. Px, 1 is the px, 2 is the py, 3 is the pz. Px means the dumbbell shape is formed on the x. Sorry. 1 minute. X means the dumbbell shape was formed on the x. It is the x, it is the y, it is the z. Z, y, x. So the dumbbell shape is formed on the x. 1 minute. The dumbbell shape is formed on the x only. So if px means the dumbbell shape was formed on the x. If py means the dumbbell shape was formed on the y. If pz means the dumbbell shape was formed on the z axis. Are you understand? So x, y, z. Remaining all axes also same is there. But the electron was located only in the x axis is the px. The electron probability was located on the y means that is py. The electron probability was finding in the z axis means that is pz orbital. Oh. How we can draw the all p orbitals? How we can draw the all p orbitals? I will show you down all the p orbitals. So, are you clear about the s orbital? I rub the s orbital and draw the all p orbitals, ma. Yes. X axis, y axis, z axis. X, Y, Z. Yes. All the p orbital means px, py, pz. Now draw the px. Yes, completed. Next draw the py. Next draw the pz. Like a flower shape. Are you understand now? So all the p orbitals like this. X axis, y axis, z axis. All three axes are rotated, nothing but all the p orbitals. You rub this also. These are the three p orbitals. Px, py, pz is the diagram. So you simply remember on the x axis the dumbbell shape was nothing but px. 8 shaped curve you have to first be remember if px means on the x axis. The dumbbell shaped curve was formed in the y axis, that is py. If dumbbell shaped curve was formed on the z axis, that is pz axis. These px, py, pz all three orbitals are seen on a one picture means like this diagram px, py, pz. Like a flower shape, all are 8 shaped curves only, either px or py or pz. Are you understand? You remember must be like this. All the p orbitals which have the dumbbell shaped structure. Okay, yes. And next, a d orbital. What is the shape of d orbital? Double dumbbell. Yes. So, in d orbitals, we have 5 suborbitals are there. Those are dxy, some gap there. dxy, dyz, dzx, dx square y square, and last one dz square. These are the 5 suborbitals in the d. So what is the shape of d orbital means it was the double dumbbell shaped. Again in the d we know the 5 boxes we can draw the in the electronic configuration. We can d means we can divide it into 5 boxes, that is nothing but each is nothing but subshell or suborbital, that is dxy. Easily remember xy, yz, zx. dxy, dyz, dzx, dx square y square, and last one is dz square. You easily remember once you listen carefully. dxy, next dyz, next dzx, next dx square y square, and finally last one is dz square. dz square. These are the 5 suborbitals which are presented in the main d orbital. What is the shape of d orbital is double dumbbell. Yes, now we draw the shape of dxy. Yes. X axis, y axis. It is the x axis, it is the y axis. Now you carefully listen. The double dumbbell shape is formed in the between x and y. Between the x and y axis. Are you understand carefully? The double dumbbell shape is formed between the x and y axis. You see carefully. The double dumbbell dumbbell shape is formed between the x and y. It is the diagram for dxy. You remember fully. The double dumbbell shape is formed between the x and y axis. So you can also one doubt is there. It is also same diagram for the px and py also. But here dxy means on the x axis, on the y axis, the electrons are oriented. So that's why we can draw the diagram in between the x and y axis. Okay. Next, dyz. Same. You write the. This is the y. It was the z. Y axis. It was the z axis. Okay, remove this. In between the y and the z, the double dumbbell form is formed. It was the dyz. Next, dz. Same. Z axis, x axis, z axis. Same. Between the x and z, the double dumbbell shape is formed. Dx square y square. It is the x axis. It is the y axis. X square means double x is there. So not in between, on the x only the double dumbbell shape is formed. Y is also on the y only the double dumbbell shape is formed. Last one, dz square. Only z means like this axis is there. On z axis only the orientation was occurred. So z is double is there. That's why. So see carefully first dxy. It was the dxy. In between the x and y axis, the double dumbbell shape is formed. dxy. I carefully observed. First these three you observed, ma. First these three you observed. What are you able to see? 1, 2, 3 you observed carefully. Then I will show you those two. So dxy. dxy, it is one of the suborbitals in the d. X axis, y axis, you don't any confusion. X and y. In between the x axis and y axis, the double dumbbell shape was formed. You blindly remember x up is there, y middle is there like that arrow. So the 8 form is formed in between the two axes. You blindly remember like that. Between the 8. So between the x and y, the 8 form is formed. Okay. Next yz. In the place of x, what is there? Y, because it was the yz orbital. Y. Next z. Okay. In between the y and the z axis, the 8-shaped form is formed. Are you understand? So zx. It was the x axis. It was the z axis. Okay. Same. The 8 shape is formed between the z and x axis. Z and x axis. Are you understand? Yes. Next, you observe that one. carefully. dx square y square. dx square y square. See carefully. dx square y square nothing but x double is there. Upon the x double orientation is there like that. The double dumbbell shape is like that. 8 form. Okay. So upon the x axis 2 times orientation means what happened? Not the sides of x axis. Compulsory along the x axis the electrons are located. That's why we can draw the along the x axis the orbital shape. This is the x axis. It was the y axis. Along the x axis the electrons are located. That is x square and y square. X and y along the axis only. Actually before x square and y square only one axis is there. That's why we can draw the sides of the axis. So this is dx square y square. And final one is dz square. dz square this was y. It was z. So along the z axis only the electrons are located. That's why we can draw the along the z axis. And also z 2 times are oriented now. That is dz square. Double orientation is there now. That's why we can draw the structure like that. dz square. Yes. So it is the dxy, dyz, dzx, dx square y square, dz square. These are the 5 shapes of orbitals in the D. 5 shapes of orbitals in the D. So yes, these are the 5 suborbitals in the D, and I already draw the S and P orbital. Totally we have 3 types of orbitals: S, P, D in the diagrammatical representation. Why cannot F orbitals we can draw? Means once you search in net or Google also, there is no scope to draw the F orbital. It is a 4-fold complex, a very complicated structure. That's why we cannot able to draw that one F orbital on the board. A 3D dimensional structure is there, total F orbital. So if you want any interest about that, once you see in the Google Chrome structure also. Yes. So S orbital shape is a spherical shape. P orbital shape is dumbbell shape. D orbital shape is double dumbbell shape. And F is 4-fold complex. The 4 sides complex, how fold means like that it is appeared. Which one? F orbital. So we already draw the S orbital shape, that is a spherical shape, and P orbital shape is dumbbell shape. Again in the P, 3 suborbitals are there: Px, Py, Pz. If Px means along the x-axis we can draw the 8-shaped curve, and Py means we draw the 8-shaped curve along the y-axis, and Pz means we draw the 8-shaped curve on the z-axis. Yes. So again in the D we have 5 suborbitals are there: dxy, dyz, dzx, dx square y square, dz square. These are the 5 suborbitals in the D. So these are the shapes of orbitals. I already explained to you what is meant by an orbital and what are the differences between an orbit and orbital. A very important for 2 marks question. What are the differences between an orbit and orbital? What are the differences between orbit and orbital? The electrons revolve around the nucleus. The electrons revolve around the nucleus in a circular path. It is known as an orbit. What is an orbital? probability. Finding is maximum. Where the probability of electron finding is maximum. That space is known as an orbital. The orbits are also known as shells. Represents as K, L, M, N and so on. The orbitals are S, P, D, F, G and so on. The electron finding is difficult in orbit. Finding is difficult in an orbit. The electron finding is easy. In an orbital. See carefully. The electrons revolve around the nucleus in a circular path. That path is known as an orbit. What is orbital? Where the probability of electron finding is maximum. That space is known as an orbital. The orbits are also known as shells. Represents as K, like this. This is that one. That one. K, L, M, N, R, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. The orbitals are S, P, D, F, G and so on. The electron finding is difficult in an orbit, but the electron finding is easy in an orbital. The electron finding is easy in an orbital. These are the differences between orbit and orbital.